In this video, we will show you how to make a picture smaller in Squarespace website. In here, for example, we have pictures that using this size, and to make this picture smaller, we can just click edit, and you can click on the image, and the image will active focus when the box is on the every side of the image. So you can just drag and drop like this. Okay, you can recess with this scaling, and also if you want to edit the design of your image, you can just select your image like this, and after the pencil icon is appear, you can just click this, and you can make this to fit or to fill, or you can also using the stretch shape or another you want, so your image will looks different, also smaller if you want. Hope this video helpful for you.